Let's see how our crowd favorite golden ratio clock is printed and shipped. We have order for 2 clocks from Amazon today, both blue on white color. First one is already printed, so let's start the print of second one. We have to choose the color for printing as well. The clock body is done. Now let's print the dials and stands. Print is complete. Now we will remove the overhangs. Let's assemble the clock. First the clock machine and then the dials. Now we place and attach the dials. I have to check the clock tuning, the minute hand with the hour hand. Both need to rotate and sync. Assembly is done, our clocks are all ready. Let's print the shipping label and the bill. Now we choose the keychain gift we send. I will soon have the keychains available for purchase separately. Chameleon and a guinea pig is perfect. Now we pack the stand, keychain and a thank you card. The package is ready to be shipped. I hope the customer loves the clocks.